final shaping. I'll heat this area, quench that back, and bend it over the bit with a hide mallet, I hope. And repeat with the other end. Burn the blessed thing again, half-wit. Not going very well, is it? Really? Asking to have this back in my face the way I'm holding this. Fairly simple reverse bend on this end now. This isn't the right way to hold the piece at all. Ooh, on the camera. Same for the other end now. Easy to hold him now. Note to future, might be easier to form that bend before trying to form that reverse bend before trying to form this bend, so I've got something to hold it by. Interesting thought, that. The general plan. Oh, he's a bit on the squiff, isn't he? Oh, not quite. That one needs more work there. Here's where the handle's going. It's a converted Victorian railway carriage. It might be a bit later than that actually, I'm not sure. It was goods originally, I would have thought, not passenger. Anyway, it's here now, there's plenty of them in the area. Here's the door handle. My teacher would be very upset if he saw that because he preferred rose head nails. And that nicely allows me to open and shut the door. And I used to struggle with that, so I'm pleased with that. Does the job well. Extremely amateurishly, I've completely burnt the end of that piece, ruined it. However, I'm not going to remake the whole thing just to give the impression that I'm infallible. I'm just going to crack on with bending this. I can probably use it somewhere on the holding. I'm just a bit very disappointed. And repeat. Woohoo! Yay! Ooh.